joining me today. Today we are in the community of Meridiana, which is located in Manville, Texas, right close to Pearland, Texas, right off of 288 South. Now, the beautiful home that we're currently viewing is built by Coventry Homes. It is called the Lindsay. Now, this beautiful one-story, three-bedroom, 3.5 bath home is a little over 2,800 square feet, and the starting price is going to be in the $500,000 range. Now, the thing about Meridiana, it is a science-focused community, and when I say science-focused, they have a lot of little areas around the community that focus on science activities for your children. Now, speaking of children, the schools that this community is going to be zoned to, it is going to be Meridiana Elementary, Cafe, Junior High, and Manville High School. Now, remember that this is a growing community and they are probably going to be expanding their schools to more on-site schools. So if you are thinking about planning on buying a house in this area, you want to make sure that the schools are going to be the ones that you want your children to be zoned to. Now, if you want to find out more about our communities that we have around the Houston metropolitan area, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. And if you don't know who I am Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. Remember to leave a comment below to let me know what you think about this community, this builder, or any other real estate questions. Thank you so much for joining me. Sit back and enjoy the tour.